technology. Would you like to highlight?
Yeah, technology. I tell you, देखो, for my practice, I am using Clubhouse.
I'm going to shoot this video with Rohit sir. He is a YouTuber. He's making content of English. So in this episode, we are going to break down a lot of things how he learned English. So this episode is going to help you a lot because he given a lot of tips. So let's start.
Hi Rahul Bhaiya, how are you?
I'm good, brother. What about you?
I'm also good. I watch your videos and that was fabulous. I enjoy a lot. You are making content very valuable, brother. And I appreciate you a lot.
Thank you.
And that's why I invited you. Please.
Yeah, I'm like everyone, who's telling me and appreciating me. This means a lot to me, actually. I'm just sharing my experiences, that what I'm doing, in my learning journey, and just sharing. So this is, and also, whenever someone appreciating us, that time we feel more motivated, and we want to do same thing again and again. So this is, gonna be more good for me, and as well as, I'm also saying, I'm also telling to my old subscribers that try to appreciate people, whatever, whoever they are. This is the only way to increase.
Correct. And I would like to learn a lot of things from you because you are doing very well. So please, Rahul Bhaiya, tell me something about yourself. Maybe who are watching my videos, maybe they are not aware. Like who is Rahul Bhaiya?
Okay. For viewers, guys, my name is Rahul, and I'm living in Jaipur, and I'm learning English. Actually, before I think till last year, I had been doing jobs, but I quit in this year because I want to learn English, and also I want to build my own business. So that's why, and I'm living Jaipur, as I said. I completed my graduation this year, and yeah, that is the thing.
Oh, that's great. So which type of job you quit, Rahul Bhaiya?
Yeah, last year I was teaching. I was a teacher, and I was teaching science in a private school. And before that, I was doing, I did different multiple jobs, like different related to different field. Like I did as a HR. I did, as a tele sales. So that time I was selling product on a call. That is the thing.
Okay, so I don't want to talk anything else apart from English because I want to learn a lot of things about English. So please, Rahul
Okay.
Bhaiya, tell me when did you start your English journey and how you are very good speaker.
How? Okay, I'm not, perceive myself as a good speaker, but I'm continuously, I feel good whenever I speak English. So, if I tell you about my journey, I started 2021. To be honest, like I started 2021 just, listen or, watching video content in English, only in English content. So, I started watching a lot, and uh, I think till last year, I had been continuously, watching so many content in English, and I was, perceiving myself that I am a English speaker, and I'm from another country, and I had been, doing this thing, and I started last year learning my English learning journey, and that time I just, if I tell you, I purchased some one-on-one calling session, just phone call session, so where I was talking to people, stranger people, and that time I was very nervous. A lot of people are saying that what we can do, I have, nervousness, but we cannot do. We have to just put, we have to take actions. And when we
Correct.
took action, that time we feel more good about ourselves. Whatever, whether it is about your English or working, studying, whatever. So I started one-on-one calling session, and but that time I was doing a job, as I mentioned, so I couldn't able to do that thing on a regular basis. So I quit that after just 1.5 months, and I started doing job again. So that was continuously I was not doing. But in June, I think 2024, I
Mhm.
started learning again because I quit my last job in March 2024, and I was looking I was looking for another job, new job in a multinational company. So I went in a company there. I gave an interview in English, but that time I was not. I was just like a beginner, and they insult me a lot. To be honest, and that insult, make me and get me here, like where I am. So I took that insult in my heart, on my heart, and I start, I committed myself that I will learn English at any cost before doing a job. So
Okay.
I started continuously practicing my English in June 2024, and almost June, July, and August. It's been like 3 months. I have been, doing and practicing my English on a regular basis every single day. So this is
Mm,
my English journey, like how I started and how I'm doing. So,
Very interesting. And I want to know, Rahul Bhaiya, what is the difference between before 3 months and now? Because now you are speaking quite good. And what was?
yeah, before 3 months, if I tell you, I knew everything about grammar, and I was also, practicing, but I was nervous. And a lot of people also have nervousness. So I was nervous. I was, I was having uh, like a kind of, I was forgetting my words. But
Hmm,
also, if you recognize that I am forgetting now
hmm,
somewhere. Okay, so
okay.
that time I was doing this thing more. So when I started and continuously practicing my English, that time
Hmm,
the practice and talking to people made me more resilient and more comfortable with this language. So that is the
hmm,
thing that I did.
So in
And
three
also,
months, what that impacted you a lot? Like you
uh,
make your English very.
yeah, I think, to be honest, making content is very good for every beginner, no matter who you are. We should just make videos and share our journey. That time, when we face camera, we become more, comfortable with this thing. We become more comfortable with ourselves. Lot of
Hmm,
people, they're nervous because of their insecurities. They have insecurities about their, looks or their knowledge, but as you are, a lot of people are admiring me, but it's not that I am very good, I am doing very good thing, but in your mindset, in your thought that I'm doing good, that's why you are admiring me or appreciating me. So people, we can easily find people that admire us, that will admire us. So audience is
hmm,
a lot, a lot of people in this world. We can easily get our people. We should,
hmm,
content creation make me more
hmm,
comfortable with this language and give me more confidence.
hmm. Yes, right. And I was watching your one video. So in that video, you mentioned you are using Josh Skill application. I'm also using.
Yeah,
So that
yeah.
that also was very beneficial for me. So please share
Hmm.
how how is the impact
Yeah,
of Josh
Josh.
Skill.
As I mentioned that I purchased the one-on-one calling session, so that was Josh Skill application, on Josh Skill application, and that was good, like for beginner, whoever was like looking for one-on-one sessions, and
Hmm,
that was not very expensive. I
hmm,
gave around 400 rupees, just 400. So I think it's very quite uh,
hmm,
reliable or very good for everyone.
hmm. Right, right, right. And I also use that was also very beneficial for me.
That's good. That's good.
Hmm. So Rahul, would
That's
you
very
like to
good.
share some application which would be very beneficial for that person who just started their journey from scratch?
Learning. Yeah, I think a lot of people are, procrastinate a lot. They are just, want to learn this language, but every time they don't want to take actions. So I
Hmm,
think for actionable things, if I tell you, so first thing we should learn grammar. This is important. A lot of people are saying grammar not important, but grammar, what grammar? We should learn tenses. We should learn some modals or verbs on, some basic thing, and don't try to learn everything in just one day.
hmm,
We are
hmm,
so impatient about it.
hmm,
So I think first learn all grammatical things and just start all these, four fundamental things: reading, writing, listening, or speaking. But I'm telling you, for these things, It's not that you should do these kind of, all these things. It's
Mm.
totally depend on you that what kind of, what kind of thing that is suitable for you. If you
Mm.
are comfortable with speaking, you can speak. If you are comfortable with writing, so everything has their own, importance, but you can try. But and you, when you start and you continuously doing these things again and again, that time you eventually you realize that what is, what is working for you, what is not working for you. I think this is important. Just start, start taking actions. And
Mm.
another thing after grammar, when we start speaking, try to speak in front of mirror. This is also important because
Okay. Mm.
a lot of as a beginner we have, insecure, we have we uncomfortable with ourselves, that how I can speak in front of a person. So
Right.
I think what I did, I was doing, practice in front of mirror, and
Mm.
even I have been doing it. Even now I'm doing it. So
Mm.
just stand in front of mirror and try to say some good things, and you can also, try to introduce yourself first, who you are, where you are living, what your parents are doing. So
Mm.
everything, just try to say some things about in English. So this is also mirror technique is very very important, very useful for as a beginner, I think. And
Mm.
eventually, we should just take action. Eventually we realize, the God will give us idea that what is the thing will work for you. Just take
Mm.
action.
Mm.
That's all.
Absolutely. Mm. Exactly. Mm.
Yeah, that is the thing, I think. A lot of
Mm.
things,
So Rahul,
yeah.
yeah, are you facing any type of like, you know, some person they will ask when I try to speak with someone, so my mind is blank. Have you ever listened that type of
Hmm.
thing? So what is the
Yes.
solution of this?
If I tell you, yeah, I'm also facing this thing, but
Mm-hmm.
it's a journey. It's a journey. As a beginner, we will face more things, but we are continuously doing this. And don't think, if I'm, talking to you right now, and if I'm thinking about you, that what you are thinking about me, and about my background and about my looks, that time we got blank, because our focus is not on our speaking, what we are speaking, what we are saying, what we are telling. So it's very important to just be focused and go blank. If I tell you about this thing, so we should do some mental things. I'm doing, mental things like mental fitness is also important. We should do visualization, meditation every day, because this is important. I uploaded today's video, already this uploaded. So in that video, I mentioned that what I'm doing in early morning. We are continuously thinking about so many thoughts, and when we are thinking, that time we got blank, because we are not focused, or the clarity will never come if we are continuously thinking about something that not relevant at that time. So I think be focused. When we start giving focus to that particular thing, that time we will eventually, and this happened gradually, not at just one day. Just try to
Mm.
speak more and more again and again every single day. So that is the thing.
Mm, okay. So, Rahul, what do you think? What is the importance of vocabulary? Because some person they're thinking like when I will speak English, so in that term I will be able to learn English. So I have no need to learn vocabulary. So what do you think? I should learn vocabulary, or when I will do conversation with someone. So without
Hmm.
learning vocabulary, I will be able to speak.
Yeah, I think in my way, people are try to learn so many thousand vocabularies, 2,000 vocabularies before practice their speaking.
Mm.
What I'm doing, if I tell you,
Mm.
usually throughout the day I'm practicing my English. That time, anytime if I got something new word for me, that time I just add that word in my Google Translate application. So in this way, when we explore more things, when we convert our life scenes in English, whatever we are doing throughout the day, so when we convert
Mm.
our life scene, that time eventually somewhere we stuck or we fail. that
Hmm.
what's the right word that I should use here. So that time we can easily learn vocabulary. This is the only and right way. If somebody if somebody is trying to learn vocabularies before practice their speaking, that time they feel exhausted, they feel drained, that what I'm doing. We are not
Hmm.
here to studying English, we are here to learn English. We don't need to memorize vocabularies. But when we are continuously using words again and again, that time we eventually memorize that or learn easily. So try to explore more scenes, what is happening in your surroundings, what you are watching, what you are watching. Try to learn new words. What
Hmm.
new words are coming?
Hmm.
Yeah, I think this is the right way to learn
Hmm.
vocabularies. We don't need to learn first.
Hmm. Good advice. So, are you following some YouTube channel which was very beneficial for you? Any
Mm,
technology? Would you like to highlight?
yeah, yeah. Technology. If I tell you, देखो, for my practice, I am using Clubhouse and Telegram sometime. So that's very free and almost free, and we can easily talk to any people. And on Clubhouse is a very good app where we can talk with foreign people on a global level.
Hmm.
So for my practice, I'm using these apps. Or if I tell you about content creators, that time I can tell you my favorite content creator is Gary Vaynerchuk. He's a content creator, one of the
Hmm.
biggest content creator who's from New York City. And usually I'm watching vlogs, some kind of vlogs of foreign people
Hmm.
that are living in English, only in English. I never ever watch Hindi content. Sometimes I'm listening Hindi songs, but I commit to myself that I never ever watch any kind of Hindi content, because this is
Okay.
our duty as an
Hmm.
English learner. We should be
Hmm.
just focused or just listen and watching only English content. So for YouTube, Gary Vaynerchuk, I'm watching him. And also TRS clips also, like the Ranveer Alabadia, Ranveer Alabadia speaking on Beer Biceps. Yeah, Beer
Hmm.
Biceps, he's making English content. So this is good.
Hmm.
If I tell you about podcast on
Rumors
Spotify,
of
so on also, yeah, Ranveer is also making podcast, but usually I'm listening Jess Etty's podcast on YouTube,
oh,
on Spotify. So Jess Etty's his English is also good. We can easily understand, and sometimes when I don't understand what he's saying, that time I make the speed of that podcast less. Decrease the speed. So that time we can easily recognize that what that word, and we can easily learn. So content, it's important. We should watch content at least. I'm watching too many content, to be honest. Too many not, but on YouTube usually I'm watching at least two or three videos daily, and that and also while we are watching, try to learn new and write new vocabulary or learn something new. So that
okay.
is the thing.
When you are watching content, so when you are not getting any word, what is the meaning of that word? So then you Google.
Yeah, Google Translate. I'm having, I have that app. Google Translate is one of the best app. We can easily search whatever we want. We can easily add also in our phrase book. There is a bookmark. We can easily bookmark that.
Hmm. Hmm.
That is the thing.
Fantastic tips you are doing, Rahul Bhaiya.
Yeah.
So, okay, Rahul Bhaiya, it was very, very nice conversation. Thank you very much for giving your precious time.
Thank you, brother. It's also, I felt very good with you, and you are doing also good. And in future, we will definitely, meet and have a conversation again. So I'm very grateful.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much. Bye. Take care.
Okay, bye.